Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota 4Runner key fob. Before you begin, gather all key fobs you want to program, including any that already work. Make sure the driver's door is open, all other doors are closed, and all doors are unlocked. You'll need to complete the entire sequence within 40 seconds for it to be successful. To enter programming mode, first, insert your key into the ignition and then pull it out, repeating this action 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. Then, insert the key into the ignition and immediately pull it out 1 time. Finally, close and open the driver's door 2 more times. Now, insert the key into the ignition and close the driver's door. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine, then immediately turn it back to OFF. Remove the key from the ignition. Within 3 seconds, the power door locks should automatically lock and then unlock, signaling that your vehicle has successfully entered programming mode. To register your key fob, press both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote simultaneously for about 1.5 seconds. Immediately after releasing them, press and hold only the lock button for 2 seconds. The door locks will cycle once, confirming successful programming. Repeat this for any additional fobs. Finally, open the driver's door to exit programming mode and test all your remotes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.